Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken macaroni salad. First, let's gather all the necessary ingredients to ensure a smooth cooking process. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, either shredded or diced, and 1 cup of cooked elbow macaroni. Don't forget your fresh vegetables like celery and carrots, plus the creamy mayonnaise and tangy relish for that perfect flavor balance. Having everything ready makes the next steps much easier. Now let's get cooking. Start by preparing your chicken. You can boil or bake about 2 chicken breasts until they are thoroughly cooked, then shred or dice them into bite-sized pieces. Next, cook 1 cup of elbow macaroni according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente. Remember to drain the macaroni well and rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent sticking. Ensure both components are completely cool before moving on. It's time to create that irresistible dressing and bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Once the dressing is smooth, gently fold in your cooled chicken and macaroni. Add the diced celery, carrots, and red onion, then stir in the sweet pickle relish until every ingredient is beautifully coated and combined. Almost there. The final crucial step is chilling your delicious chicken macaroni salad. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time is essential as it allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together, creating a more harmonious and refreshing taste. Before serving, give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if needed. Then, simply serve it chilled and enjoy your homemade culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.